Good day, friends. Paul here, otherwise known as Captain Obvious. Many of you are burning your food on the stovetop, and I've known people who burn their food, whether it's on the electric stovetop or gas, or in the oven or broiler even. And I'm going to give you a pro tip here. May seem very obvious, but turn your heat down low when you're cooking on the electric range, like down to level 2 or 3 rather than high or 6. So many people get impatient, they want to cook their dinner, what have you, and blast their either stovetop or oven or broiler temp on high, and you get smoking oil and meat, and the fan goes on, you got to turn that thing on, and it's just a complete disaster. So don't bother with any of that stuff, friends. Keep your heat on low. Experiment with what's the optimum setting. Now, I emphasize electric range because they can be very difficult to gauge. And make sure your elements here on the stove are all off. I always touch these before I go outside and press any off buttons that you see there, just to make sure that everything is off on your stove and oven. Now, back to the point of why I'm doing this about electric stoves is that with gas you can see the flame consistently. Electric stoves work as they're either on or off. So when the element is lighting or is getting warm, that element is on and then it turns off depending on the thermostat setting here. So it can be difficult to gauge as exactly when is that element on or off depending on where you set it on the gauge. That's where some experimentation takes place with any electric range, friends. But I would say start off your cooking right about in this medium-low zone and take it from there, adjust from there. Please post your comments below and subscribe to my channel because I am the premier do-it-yourself around the home professional expert on YouTube. This is Paul from Epic Alternatives saying, don't burn your food.